What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the What? Already? Y'all already hit the like button on me, man? Dang, dog. I appreciate that early love, bro. I ain't even get a chance to get through the whole intro yet. And y'all done already liked the doggone video, man. I appreciate that. While you're down there, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me, man. I appreciate it. So, let's get back to the intro. So, yeah, man, welcome back to the channel. Hopefully everybody's having a good day. And, well, today, I got another external mod to do to the car. Something I'm a little bit excited about and hoping that it's going to look right and that's not going to be like I'm doing too much. Is what I'm hoping. So let's go ahead and direct ourselves to the bench and let's take a look at what we have in store today. So here we go, y'all. So we're going to do two things right here. I want to try out another product we have, but let's look at what's in this box. As you can see, it says OLM. So what did I get from OLM this time? You know, of course, I had to already pre-open the thing because, hey, I want to make sure it's in good order. Make sure I ain't got to send it back or anything. So first thing we have is we have some clear double-sided tape. Dang, okay. Some clear double-sided tape. That's what we got. And let's throw this to the side here. It's a nice day out today, man. It's fairly cool. Not too hot in the garage today. So let's get this thing out of the doggone plastic. So what we have here is the OLM roof spoiler. So this is what we have here. So let's go on ahead and let's do a little test fit right here. See how she looks. Pretty good material. It's looking good. I mean, I kind of like everything to be black because it kind of matches everything else on the car. It's from a stealthy look of it. So let's go ahead and put it on the car. See what it look like. All right, so look here, y'all. So this is what we got. So right now it's gonna line up, and it actually lines up to the size of the glass right here. And mount straight to the glass. So the goal is to put it right there where it lines up right against that corner. As you can see, it lines up really well with that corner. And all I have to do is make sure it does the same thing over there, but I'm sitting it all the way up against the vortex generator. So as y'all can tell, the vortex generator has a shine to it because it was like the same material, which is going to bring me to the next part to this video of what I want to do. So what I want to do is I want to Cerakote this this material, the same thing I did with everything on the car, really the generator, the lip kit, all of that. So this is going to go right there just like that. It looks like it's fitting on there pretty good. It's not that big of a gap right there. So I think that's kind of how I'm going to lay it out. I'm going to put it right there on that edge and on that edge over there, and it should be good to go. So this is what I ordered. You know, of course, as always, along with this part, I'll link it in the description, but I also I ordered this, and it's called a trim coat Cerakote. The Cerakote, you know. So basically it shows you right there what it does. It's going to turn that dull into shine, and it's going to give it a little bit of protection at the same time and fill in any imperfections on there to make it look really smooth. So I'm going to put some of this on there. Basically what comes in here, it says it lasts for 200 washes or more. It comes with gloves in the box, and it has a bunch of these little application things. Now they go a long way, so I'm just gonna use this one and only use it on this, which is fine. I still have this. I think I've used 2 of them so far. So that's 4, 8, so it's 10 of them all together. So I'm gonna use 1 more of these. I'll take it off of this one right here. And then we'll put everything else back away in the box. Here we go. So we're gonna use this to Cerakote this. But before we do that, I'm probably going to put you guys on a little bit of a time lapse so that I can apply the double-sided tape onto here. This is some weird stuff. It's clear. We'll see how this goes.
yeah. I'm not gonna lie, 다들 하질 뻔한 이야기, her brain fried. My lady papa Zenny, other lady popping Molly, why she waiting on me? 여긴 나의 area, 여긴 my area. Keep on heading if you want, I drive it like you know. I don't wanna hear you, 지겹잖아 이제 넌 like I'm Bango, cutting my hair. I just keep going though, 소식껏 날 믿고 I fly non-stop, Kelly에서 New York 구름 위로 hop on. Drive out and riding birds, honeyberry counting gobs. I do what I wanna do, 그게 나의 문이원. 너넨 꿈꾸지 말 기다려야 할.
All right, so here we go. As you can see, there's a little lip right here along the sides of it. So I made sure I stayed in that, kind of put a little curve on it, so hopefully that lasts, that does okay. But I left a little hole right here, so if water gets in there, it has a way to get out of there. I got that right there. But I was able to wrap it all around here. That was enough of the tape to go around. It's pretty sticky. Now that that's on, the next thing we're going to do here now. All right, so I propped it up on this tape, so hopefully I can get. Now we're going to open this up. I went ahead and put both gloves on. So let's pull this out of here. And the only thing you really got to do, this stuff is real strong, so make sure you're in an open airspace when you do this. And all you got to do is just, yeah, my camera, the battery got too hot, so I had to change the battery out. It kept cutting in and out on me as I was trying to film that whole thing. But right now, I was able to wipe it all down with the Cerakote. And all you do is just make sure you get every single edge, every single corner, but you see how shiny it looks now. So it's got that protective coating all the way around it. As y'all can see. And this thing is supposed to be good for up to 200 washes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this dry, and then once it's done drying, we'll go ahead and we'll start the process of putting it on the back window of the car.
3 hours later.
All right, so here we go, man. It's looking good the way it's on there, so I'm gonna go on ahead and start peeling some of this stuff off of here. So I am going to completely take this red tape off of this side, and I'm gonna peel it back right there. That way then I can kind of peel it off and work my way down. All right, so I got it peeled back enough to where I should be able to reach it to peel it off. Now, time to put it on.
How much you just do it, like Nike, just do it. Get to know me and I net flow. got 잡은 눈이 분위기는 chill. Fendi snakes on my belt, yeah I'm feeling first class. Yo, don't cash flow. Ooh, pop it on my glass. Ooh, pop that pass. Ooh, smoke that gas. Cash play, blackjack, monkeys on my pick. 100, 200, multiply. Dollar sound, smile, lullaby.
Start the process of mashing this thing on here. So next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit this bad boy with some heat real quick and try and get it to settle in there a little bit better. GoPro, stop recording.
Never sleep on me. Eyes on my chain, 숙여 너의 고개를. What you looking at, fool? 너의 눈 흐리 멍청했고. Find your comfort from another, yeah.
All right, so we on there. So the only thing I'm about to do now is I'm gonna lay some more of this Cerakote down on here.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
All right, y'all, so look, I almost screwed up here. So when you Cerakote this thing and it's dry and you try and put another coat on there, don't do that crap. I had to use some detail cleaner to clean it off of that because it left a crazy film, because this Cerakote, it works. It does its job, and it won't allow you to put a second coat on there. You'll screw it up. But I wiped it all off, so there we go. And that's what we looking like, man. So it's got a slight shine to it, not too shiny, but this is what we got. All right, y'all, so there we go. It's another install in the bag, y'all. So that wasn't too hard of an install. It was pretty easy. So like I said, I'm gonna link everything in the description, man. I appreciate y'all, and let me give y'all a little heads up now. So in the next video, it's about to go down, baby. So I got an announcement of something, a new addition that I want to add to the channel, you know, for more content, and hopefully it'll be a learning opportunity for everybody. So stay tuned for that next video, man. Appreciate y'all. Like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Your boy will see you on the next video. Peace.